I know now. You held all the cards and sold me out. Baby, you've been a pretty hard case to crack. I should've known better, but I didn't, and I can't go back. Oh, life goes on, and it's only gonna make me strong. It's a fact. Once you get on board, say goodbye, 'cause you can't go back. Oh, it's a fight, and I really wanna get it right. Where I'm at is my life before me. I have this feeling that I can't go back. Na 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 na, life goes on. Na 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 na, made me strong. No, yeah. Got a feeling that I can't go back. No, I can't go back. Made me strong. No, yeah, yeah. I gotta go now, moving on. No turning back, 'cause it made me strong. No, yeah. Got a feeling that I can't. Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say were wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream loud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned up. Starting right now, I'll be strong. I'll go my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes, 'cause I've still got a lot of fight left in me. No, I've still got a lot of fight left in me. She's just a girl and she's on fire, hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire, filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. This girl is always needed something, but I've got all I want when it comes to loving you. You're my only reason, you're my only truth. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. Oh, yes, I do. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. Oh, yes, I do. I need you. I need you. The dancing queen gave me her crown the day that I turned 17. But she passed down so much more than these vintage Levi's jeans. I came out tougher like my brother, but we're not the only ones. I hold my liquor like my sister, but where do you think we got it from? You like the way I walk, the way I talk, the hazel in my eyes, the songs I sing, how big I dream, laugh until I cry. Why my heart is on my sleeve and I scream when I hear Madonna. Everything good in me, I got it from my mama. Oh, oh, oh. I got it from my mama. Oh, oh, oh. Scraped knees or broken hearts, I'd always run to her. She'd hold me close and say, honey, it's got nothing on giving birth. From my freckles to my smile and how I have to have the last word. Yeah, if you ask my father, he'd tell you that it's all her. You like the way I walk, the way I talk, the hazel in my eyes, the songs I sing, how big I dream, laugh until I cry. Why my heart is on my sleeve and I scream when I hear Madonna. Everything good in me, I got it from my mama. Oh, oh, oh. I got it from my mama. Oh, oh, oh. I come from a long line of girls who was alright. I hope one day when I have a daughter, she'll tell you she got it from her mama. Oh, oh, oh. She got it from her mama. Yeah. If you like the way I walk, the way I talk, the hazel in my eyes, the songs I sing, how big I dream, laugh until I cry. Why my heart is on my sleeve and I scream when I hear Madonna. Everything good in me, everything I'll ever need, I got it from my mama. Oh, oh, oh.
birthday. Surprise ito sis ha. Sorry, hindi ko na i-marites sa'yo dahil secret nga ito eh. But first of all, I would like to greet you a happy 60th birthday. Wow, sana all lumi-level up ka na sis sa mga seniors ngayon ha. But yun, una sa lahat sis, nais ko munang magpasalamat sa iyo sa lahat ng mga suporta, sa pag-advise, at saka sa pagsama sa akin, sa aking mga anak. Yun, every time na may mga special event ang mga anak ko sa school, ay ikaw yung nag-a-attend para sa kanila bilang mother figure nila. At saka maraming salamat din sis sa pagsama sa akin every time na gusto kong magbakasyon dyan sa Tugigaraw. Nandyan ka na sinasamahan ako, and then kahit saan, yung kapag yung bumabalik ako sa Hong Kong, nandyan ka rin na naghahatid sa akin sa airport with, syempre, matching, ang dami-daming foods. kaya hindi ka magugutom sa airport dahil ang dami mong dala habang nag-aantay ng oras, gano'n. Tapos, ano pa, maraming salamat sis dahil bilang isang ate ay, syempre, nagampanan mo rin yung tungkulin mo sa amin, na gabayan kami, nabigyan kami ng advice, na sinusuportahan mo rin kami, ganon. Tapos, bilang isang nanay naman, tinatawag kitang Wonder Woman dahil lahat ng mga pagsubok, mga problema, na dumating sa iyo ay nakayanan mo, na nalabanan mo, ganon, na lahat ng mga sakripisyo, nakayanan mo sis. Kaya ayun, sa awa ng Diyos ay napagtapos mo yung dalawang anak mo, at ngayon ay may kanya-kanya na silang trabaho, kaya ngayon is donya ka na sis. Kaya yun, tapos ano pa, hindi ka sumuko sa mga pagsubok na dumating sa buhay mo. Kaya lakas ng sis, ang lakas ng fighting spirit mo talaga, na ganun, hindi ka talaga sumuko sa mga problema sa lahat ng mga problemang dumaan sa iyo. Kaya bilib ako sa iyo sis, sa katatagan mo. Para sa iyo sis is good health lagi, and more blessings to come, more years to come to celebrate your birthday, and then basta good health always. At saka ingat lagi sis, dahil syempre nagkakaedad ka na, syempre laging mag-iingat at alagaan mo yung sarili mo sis. Tapos ano pa, yun, once again, happy 60th birthday. Enjoy your day with our family, friends, and relatives. And God bless and regards to all. And yun, happy birthday!
Hello sa Pinas. Hello to everybody. Kararating ko lang dito sa bahay, galing sa simbahan. Sorry nga pala, Jeline, kung ngayon lang ako nakapag-videos. Dahil alam mo naman, lagi akong busy sa trabaho. Pag linggo, nasa simbahan naman ako. Kaya pasensya na lang kung late ang pinagpadala ko nitong video kong ito. Hello, Ate Bless. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day with our families, friends, and relatives dyan sa atin. At nagpapasalamat ako dahil narating mo ang edad na 60, seniors ka na rin. Sana ganyan din ako. 2 taon pa na maghintay ako bago ako magse-seniors din. At sana itong December, if God will, ay makaka-uwi rin ako. At sana sama-sama ulit tayo. Okay, bye! Ingat lagi, I love you all. Pang, ingat ka lagi, Pang. I love you, mga anak ko. Kayong lahat dyan, I miss you all. Bye. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Tita Bless. Maraming salamat sa mga itinulong mo sa amin, kaya nung pag-bisita at saka pag-bigay mo ng prutas at saka yung tawa-tawa nung nagkadegi ako, nung pagtulong mo sa amin nung lumipat kami sa Quezon City. City, tsaka yung sa pagpapatuloy mo sa akin sa Pasig nung may klase ako. Ayun. So, ayan, happy birthday ulit and enjoy your day.
Hi, Bless. Nagulat ka, no? May video greetings ako sa iyo. Hindi mo akalain. Makakapagsalita ako. Siyempre, dahil ito ay araw na pinanganak ka at unang araw mo sa mundo, May 10 pala yun, 1964. Pero ngayon, which is May 10, 2024 ay special day mo, blessed day mo. Dahil happy, yes, 60 birthday mo na. Ano ibig sabihin? Bless, senior ka na. Diba? Sabi mo sa akin nun, ate, blessing yung puti ng buho kasi laging priority at may discount pa. Lahat naman tayo naghahangad na madagdagan pa yung edad natin, diba? Masaya ka, diba? Kasi 60 ka na and wish ko ay di ko bless ha, kasi alam mo naman hindi ko kabisado. So this is your very special day and wish ko sa birthday mo stay always strong, happy and healthy, and may all your wishes and dreams come true. This is our prayer palagi, di ba, na madagdagan ng edad natin kasi kahit malalaki na yung mga anak natin, gusto pa natin silang gabayan, bantayan, gusto pa natin silang makasama. Kaya magpasalamat tayo sa Diyos, lalo na ikaw, nakaabot ka pa ng 60 years old. And be grateful for all the wonder day life has to give. This is your 60th day. 60th day. 60th day. So be happy, enjoy together with all your loved ones, friends, and relatives. Diyan sa Tugigaraw, nandiyan ka. Diba diyan ka nag-celebrate ng birthday? Kung anong oras man po dyan, magandang araw po sa inyo. Mahal po namin yan si Bless dito sa Pasig. Kaya, Bless, stay safe with Jeline, Dondon, and magiging nadadagdagan ka na ng isang anak pag si Jeline may partner na. So, God bless you always and be happy. Enjoy this, your special day. God bless you. I love you. We love you. Always pray and thanks for everything. God bless. Hi, bless. God bless to all.
Happy birthday po, Tita Bless. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tinulong niyo po sa akin. Hininto po sa inyo ng mabuting kalusugan at malusog na pangangatawan. Sana po mas marami pa pong birthday ang dumating sa inyo. Maraming salamat po.
Hello, happy birthday po sa isa sa pinaka-the best na tita namin, Tita Bless. And my birthday wish for you is sana lagi kang healthy, lagi kang happy. And gusto ko din po magpasalamat sa soft heart na meron ka. May God bless you more for that. I'm sure madaming grateful na nag-exist ka dito sa mundo. Kaya sana lagi kang mag-ingat, tita, because we need more people like you. Napakabuti mo po. Kaya hindi kami magtataka kung may mga mababait kang anak kasi galing sila sa'yo. We love you, Tita Bless. I miss you.
Hi! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, kita.
Happy birthday, Tita Bless!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! says Panpan. Wishing you more birthdays to come and then good health always. Looking forward akong maging lola ka na at maging ninang ako sa anak ni Jeddah. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Enjoy!
God bless!
Yo. Ano? Andiyan ba? Ay. Ay, dito.
Kaya nagtago ka pa sa laki ng
Hindi nga,
bahay mo.
pinapractice ka. Ayan. Okay. Tita, happy birthday. Hindi ako ready dito. hindi kami ready dito sa ano na to. Sa video ba na to? Good health. Hindi ko na sasabihin. Ano lang ako. Good health sa'yo, tita, and
Enjoy your day.
enjoy your day. Kaya na, hindi masyado ready at ang laki ng bahay na may ventilador. Tanggalin natin para hindi halata. At mainit dito ngayon, summer. Good health sa'yo. Yun. Then, more birthday.
And
Pasensya na, hindi tayo ngayon, wala ka ngayon bisita eh. Alam mo naman lagi akong wala sa Pilipinas eh.
Bawi na lang pag-uwi
bawi
namin.
ba pag-uwi. Salamat tita. Lagi ka nandyan. Tsaka, ngayon okay na yung buhay kasi medyo wala ka ng stress masyado. Enjoy life na lang. Wala ka na iniintending masakit sa ulo. Masakit sa ulo. Pero nakakamiss pa rin kahit papano. Tito Eddie yun eh. Yun lang ta. Enjoy your day. I love you. Always.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday tita.
Hi Tita! Happy birthday! I hope you enjoy your day. See you next week!
Hi, Madam! Happy birthday! May you be blessed, not just today, but all the days of your life. I want you to be happy because you deserve it. We love you!
Bye Tita!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Bless. Ang prayer namin sa iyo na lagi kang malusog, lagi kang masaya. Ipagkaloob ni Lord lahat ng pangangailangan mo. Lagi mong isipin na nandito ang buong pamilya namin para lagi kang suportahan sa lahat ng mga pangangailangan mo. We love you. Happy birthday. Bye. God bless you.
Happy 60th birthday, Tita! God bless you! Bye! Happy birthday, Annabeth! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Annabeth!